A very good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to today's English class. Today we will read this lesson of Unit 5. The name of the lesson is Funny Bunny. So, see what you can predict from this picture, what you can guess from this picture. That some animals are talking to a fox. And can you name these animals? Yes, this is the rabbit, the duck, the goose, the hen, and the cock. They are talking to fox. So let's enjoy and read this story. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. One day, he is Funny Bunny. Bunny means rabbit. One day, Funny Bunny was sleeping under a tree. He was taking rest, and suddenly a nut fell on his head. What is a nut? Nut is a fruit with a hard covering. कोई भी फ्रूट जिसका हार्ड कवर होता है, लाइक अखरोट, दैट इज वॉलनट, है ना. इसके अलावा इवन द ऑलमंड्स हैव अ हार्ड कवरिंग ओवर इट, सो दे आर कॉल्ड नट. So when the rabbit was sleeping under a nut tree, a nut fell on his head. And whenever somebody get hurt, I or you will express it by saying a word, that is ouch. That's what this rabbit, the Funny Bunny, said. What he said? He said, ouch, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. See, here the word fall and fell. See, this word fell is the past form of fall. Fall means something cut down. It means some fruit or something that cut down from a tree, जो किसी चीज़ से गिर जाता है. तो गिरने को what we say it in English is fall. And in past form, the past form of fall is fell, F-E-L-L. So what happened when the Funny Bunny, the rabbit, was taking rest under a nut tree? A nut fell on his head and he said ouch. And what he guessed, he doesn't look here and there on such what fell on his head. Instead of doing that, he said that the sky is going to fall. What he thought, that the sky is going to fall. आप सबने sky देखी है ना, over your head, सबको पता है आसमान कैसा होता है. And what he thought the sky is going to fall, which is totally impossible. I must tell the king, Funny Bunny said, कि मुझे राजा को बताना चाहिए. On the way, he met Henny Penny, the hen. Henny Penny कौन था? Henny Penny was a hen. So on the way, when he was going to tell the king, what he was going to tell? He was going to tell that the sky is falling. So when he was going to tell the king, on his way, रास्ते में whom he met? He met a hen, and her name was Henny Penny. What he said then? He said, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. Funny Bunny said that the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. What then Henny Penny said? Henny Penny said, I'll come too. It will, see, I apostrophe L. इस सिंबल को एस्ट्रोट्रॉफी कहते हैं एंड इसको प्रोनाउंशिएट करते हैं I'll, not I will. You don't have to say I will, you will say I'll. Okay, so the Henny Penny said, I'll come too. मतलब मैं भी आऊंगी. And off they went to the king. Off means to leave, to move away. और वो दोनों एक साथ चले गए. कहाँ गए? To inform the king that the sky is going to fall. अब ये जो आसमान है वो गिरने वाला है. Soon they met Cocky Locky. Now whom they met? Now they met Cocky Locky, and Cocky Locky is a cock. So now they met Cocky Locky, and what they said to Cocky Locky? Can you guess? Yes, they will say that the sky is going to fall and we are going to inform the king. So let's continue. See, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. What Funny Bunny said? Funny Bunny said that the sky is going to fall and I am going to inform the king. Now the Cocky Locky said, I will come too. तो Cocky Locky ने क्या कहा? He said that I will come too. मैं भी आपके साथ आऊँगी. And off they went to find the king. And now all three of them went to inform the king that the sky is falling. Now tell me who all are going to inform the king? Funny Bunny, then they met Henny Penny, and then Cocky Locky. All three of them now they are going to inform the king about the sky is falling. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. Now they met the fourth animal, that is a duck, and her name is Ducky Lucky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. Again, Funny Bunny told Lucky Ducky that the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. और मैं किसको बताने जा रहा हूँ? King को. I'll come too, said Lucky Ducky. Lucky Ducky said that I will also come with you and let's go and inform the king that the sky is going to fall. Now, who all are going to inform the king? Tell me. Very good. Now, Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Lucky Ducky. When they are going to inform the king, on the way, now they met Poozy Goozy. Whom they met? They met Poozy Goozy, and it is a goose. Now the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny, and I am going to tell the king. The same thing Funny Bunny also said to the goose. What? That the sky is going to fall and I am going to inform this to the king. I will come too, said Poozy Goosey. Poozy Goosey said that I will also come with you and let's go and inform the king about this. And off they went to find the king, and all of them went together to inform this to the king. And on the way they met the Foxy Foxy. And on the way, when they are going to inform the king, raste mein they met whom? They met Foxy Foxy. And all of you know that fox are very clever. Now what happened? Again, they said that the sky is going to fall. They all said. Now, abhi tak only Funny Bunny was informing them about this, that the sky is going to fall. But to the Foxy Foxy, all of them said that the sky is going to fall and we are going to tell this to king. And the king lives. Now, what Foxy Foxy said? Foxy Foxy said that the king lives here. उसने कहा that the king lives here. The king lives, and I know where the king lives, and let's go with me, follow me, I will take you to the king. मैं जानता हूँ कि किंग यहीं रहता है, चलो मैं तुम्हें किंग के पास ले चलता हूँ. फॉलो मी, उसे बोलता है फॉलो करो मुझे, आई विल टेक यू टू द किंग. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, and Goosey, Poosey Goosey. It means the fox killed them and ate them. The fox know that they all are foolish. ये सारे के सारे फुलिश हैं, ये मेरे साथ आ जाएंगे, और उनको ले गया, उनको मार दिया एंड दे उनको खा लिया, एंड उनकी स्टोरी का एंड वहीं पे हो गया. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी देन. द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट वी शुड नॉट ट्रस्ट एनीबडी विदाउट नोइंग द ट्रुथ. हमें सच जाने बिना किसी के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द ट्रुथ एंड देन वी शुड ट्रस्ट देम. ओके, so tell me the character name of these animals, all of you. Name the animals in this lesson: rabbit, hen, cock, goose, and fox. I have left one, that is duck. Okay, you will write here. Duck. Okay. Okay, what is the name of the rabbit in the story? Yes, Funny Bunny. Hen? Very good, Henny Penny. What was the name of cock? Cocky Locky. Very nice. What was the name of goose? Poosey Goosey. What was the name of fox? Boxy Foxy. And last, what was the name of duck? Duck name was Lucky Ducky. Very nice, students. So now we will discuss the word meaning of this chapter, of the new words. The first word is nut. Nut means a fruit with a hard shell, जिसके ऊपर hard covering होती है. This I have already discussed with you in the story. Fell, to cut down, गिर जाना. Ouch. Ouch is the word which is used to express pain. जब हमें लग जाती है तो हम कौन सा word use करते हैं? Ouch. Met. Met is to see someone after a certain period of time. जब हम कुछ दिनों बाद किसी को देखते हैं, we use the word met. Off is to move away. I am is I am. I'll means I will. We are means we are. We, this is apostrophe R. We will expand it and it will be written as we are. Similarly, I apostrophe small double L. It means I will. We will pronounce this as I'll. Okay, we will pronounce this as I'll. So let's make few sentences out of these words. First word is nut. Let's make simple sentences out of these words. So what is the first word? The first word is nut. Nut means a fruit with a hard covering. Make a sentence, simple sentence. I will write I want to eat nuts. Means मैं nuts खाना चाहता हूँ. Okay. Now second word is fell. I have already discussed. Fell is the past form of fall, गिरने का. So I will write leaves fell from trees. पत्तियाँ जो हैं, पत्ते वो पेड़ से गिरते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है ouch. Ouch is the word used to express your pain. So in this sentence you have to write a sentence which shows that you are hurt. So what will you write? You will write ouch I hurt my leg. You can write ouch, I hurt my leg, ouch, I hurt my head, or anything else. Okay, ouch, my head is aching. These type of sentences. Now met. Met, what will you write? I met my friend today. बस मैं अपने दोस्त से आज मिला. Off means to move away or to move away or to leave. So he went off to school. The next word is I am. I am. Okay, you don't have to pronounce it as I am. You will say I am. Okay, I am. So I will write I am a good painter. Similarly, you can write I am a good gardener, I am good in cycling, etc. Okay, the sentence which you can write using the simple words. So the next is I'll. It is pronounced it as I-L. I'll do this work. I'll do this work. Next is we are. We are playing football. Okay, so we are playing football. So these are the words. Now you have to make other sentences other than these. Nut, I want to eat nuts. Second is fell, leaves fell from trees. Ouch, ouch, I hurt my leg. Off, he went off to school. I am a good painter. I'll do this work. We are playing football. Okay, so now make your own sentences. So